Damn! I am about to take my second attempt at the kitchen sink challenge. I brought along a friend this time, Asian James Dean.
Jimmy, kill it.
Basically what happened last time was my own arrogance was my downfall. I tried to take a challenge that was designed for 2 people all by myself, and I failed. So now that I got Jimmy, done.
No doubt.
We get 30 minutes, but I'm thinking we might even be able to do it in like 20.
Whoa!
Basically what happened last time was my own arrogance was my downfall.
And how much do you like ice cream?
Not much. That's my only concern. I can eat a lot, but I'm not a big dessert guy, so we'll see how that translates into our challenge today.
You don't care about it.
A big one with something for ice cream as well.
We'll do the chocolate and strawberry syrup. Easy on the whipped cream. When I tried to eat it by myself last month, that was the amount of whipped cream I got.
They went lenient on you because you were by yourself.
So it doesn't count unless we do a whole bowl of whipped cream?
Yeah.
You gotta do it, dude. Yeah, don't whip it out.
It's a bit.
Maybe it won't be 20 minutes no more. Maybe we'll take the full 30.
Yeah.
That's a lot weirder than I had.
We have a real doctor on site for this challenge.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Is it at least good? Is it good?
Deepa, no words of inspiration this time?
Just win this time.
You guys know I hate dessert.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
I'm never a fan of whipped cream. That's the hardest thing for me right now.
Nothing wrong with taking a break. No shame.
So bad.
Okay. This is more
You don't want them to win?
No, I don't. I don't. I don't think they're gonna do it. Get a picture of it.
One quick, just to get a different taste.
Oh, here we go.
Wow.
Strategy.
They're actually doing that.
Like, there's got to be rules of engagement. You can't talk about barfing and stuff like that.
Pro, you wash everything out.
We're not pros!
Definitely not pros.
Can you take
They're here. Yes!
13 minutes and 30 seconds.
That's what victory looks like.
What do you have to say to that?
I'm very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. Yeah, let me take a picture of this.
You did it!
How's it feel? How's it feel?
Like that one. Feels great. You know, ask me in 20 or 30 minutes, but right now I feel good.
Champions!
Victory! We are the champions.
We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions.
Do you think you can do it by yourself?
I absolutely could, but I'm not gonna.